Hey, scientists. Okay, so we're here in your digital notebook part 2, and it's saying review your causes of climate change rubric. Begin with the end in mind by reviewing the causes of climate change rubric. Everything you need to know to demonstrate proficiency is listed on here. So you could click this link right here. I think that'll get you to it. And the other place that you can find it is in your Google Classroom. Now I'm in Science 1A. It doesn't matter which section you're in. It should be in the same place in all of your Google Classrooms. If you go to Causes of Climate Change rubric under your classwork section, I have linked the rubric for you there. So you can click on it, open it up, and here is the instructions and the scoring rubric. So this is going to be a multiple choice test. If you score 70% or higher on it, it's a 3. Between 50% and 70% is a 2. If you score below 50%, you will score a 1. If you would like to score a 4 on this test, or the summative, you need to at least get a 70% or more on this part. And then at the end of this unit, Causes of Climate Change in Discovery Education, there is a summative assessment there. This should look familiar because this is similar to what we've been doing all year. If you have any more questions about that, let me know. And we will have time in class for you to take this if you are trying to score a 4. Okay, so part of your assignment this week is to review. We are reaching the end of this unit. So in order to demonstrate proficiency on the summative, it would be great for you to know these vocabulary words. So go through all of these. Make sure you understand what they mean, because they are going to help you on the summative, knowing what those words mean. These are the key concepts that you also should know in order to score proficient on the summative. So remember, it's been a while since we looked at the natural processes, but there'll be a question about this. What are some of the natural processes that affect global temperature change? And here I listed them for you here. What are some examples of fossil fuels? Hopefully that sounds really familiar to you all right now. What are greenhouse gases? What effect do greenhouse gases have on the climate? What are some human activities that contribute to climate change? What evidence supports the claim that climate change is occurring? And what are some likely outcomes if global warming continues at the current rate? So if you're able to answer all these questions and you can identify all these vocabulary terms, you're going to do awesome on your summative. Okay. So go ahead, take a look at this. Make sure you got it all. When you do, you can move on to the next section in your digital science notebook.